Hello everyone. Welcome to Chinese class to learn Chinese language and characters. Today we are learning how to write 撇 or throw. 撇 or throw is written from the top right to the bottom left. The start of the stroke should be heavy and slow. The end of it should be light and fast. Let's practice how to write it with a few Chinese characters, which are made of horizontal, vertical, and throw. In last video, we have learned the character 10 or 10. Adding a throw to the top of 10 makes 千 or 1000. In the oracle bone inscription, 千 is 一 plus 人, which means one person. In ancient China, Chinese people used one person to represent 1000. The second character is 5, which means noon, midday. In the oracle bone inscription, 5 is a pictograph. It looks like a pestle for pounding rice. Why the pestle is used to represent noon or midday? Probably because in ancient times, noon or midday was the time when people used the pestle to pound rice for cooking. The most similar character to 5 is 牛, which means cow, bull, cattle, ox, or buffalo. But the similarity of these two characters is only found in the regular script. There is no etymological connection between 5 and 牛. In the oracle bone inscription, 牛 is also a pictograph. It resembles the front of a bull's head. Let's go to next character. If you add a horizontal under 牛, you get the character 生, which means sprout, grow, or give birth. 生 is a pictograph too. It looks like the grass sprouting from the soil. Just like 5 and 牛, the similarity of 牛 and 生 is only found in the regular script. There is no etymological connection between 牛 and 生. In last video, we have learned the character 士 or soldier. If you add a throw to the top of 士, you get the character 人, whose original meaning is carrying pole or shoulder pole. 人 is not a common character or daily character, but it is a common part that can be used with radicals to form many common characters. When we add a 人 or 单人旁 to 人, we get 任, which means task, duty, or responsibility. 人 or 单人旁 means man or person. A person carrying a shoulder pole means he is completing a task or committing a duty. Today we learned how to write 撇 or throw. We also learned 6 Chinese characters that are combinations of horizontal, vertical, and throw. They are 千, 五牛生人 and 任 Please read after me 千五牛生人任 Please note they are written from top to bottom and left to right.